Sometimes from X or Twitter, you may get email notifications about a research survey or something like that. And if you don't want to get email notifications related to this survey, you can disable those email notifications. In this video, we'll show you how to disable these kinds of notifications. For this, open the X app. After that, above you can see your profile photo. Tap on your profile photo, and here you can see settings and support. Tap on that, and here you can see settings and privacy. Tap on that, and here you can see notifications. Tap on notifications. When you tap on that, here you can see preferences. Tap on preferences. And here you can see email notifications. Tap on email notifications. And here you can see that email notifications are turned on. If you want, you can disable this. After that, you won't get any email notifications related to any topic. But if you want to keep this on and disable only that specific email notification, here's what you can do. Here you can see the From X option. Under that, you can see participation in X research surveys. If it is turned on, just disable it. After that, you can go back. Your settings will be saved. After this, you won't get these kinds of email notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.